A graphic card is a video card that processes graphics and displays them on the computer monitor. It is an essential component of a computer, especially a gaming computer. The main function of a graphic card is to process the data from the CPU and create it in a form that can be displayed on the monitor. The processing power of these cards has increased significantly over time, with modern cards being able to process billions of instructions per second. Graphic cards are often designed for use in computers with limited space, such as laptops or small form-factor computers. Graphics card may also refer to graphics card, a part of a computer graphics card driver, the software that interfaces with graphic cards and allows video games to be played on some systems. The term graphic card can also refer to a type of toy consisting of a wood block with square-shaped depressions filled with sand, used to visualize optical illusions. A graphics card is an essential component of any gaming computer. It is an external device that takes the data processed by the main processor and renders it so that it can be seen on a monitor or TV screen. The processing power of these cards has increased significantly over time, with modern cards being able to process billions of instructions per second. Rivalry with NVIDIA attempted to take the lead in the mid-2000s by dominating the high end of the market, while AMD had control over its own lower-end market. Nvidia quickly responded by releasing its own cards with enough processing power to compete with AMD at a similar price point.